Welcome to AT&T Phone for Business. If your AT&T phone installation appointment is coming up, this video is for you. You'll want to prepare for a smooth installation. Watch and we'll show you how to get ready for your installation appointment. We'll send you messages with links to the necessary steps so you can easily provide the information we need, confirm your appointment date, and register your online account. Look for an email from AT&T Appointment Manager with a link to complete the Appointment Manager Readiness Checklist. This checklist helps us get to know your site so that we'll arrive ready for a successful installation. Click Complete Checklist now and log into Appointment Manager. Click Get a Passcode, select the Email Me option, and click Send Code. A message appears from Appointment Manager asking you to check your email. Note the passcode and enter it in Appointment Manager. Then click Log In. To open the Appointment Manager Readiness Checklist, click Confirm Details Now. You'll see your order summary. If you need to update the installation address or access hours, click the Edit icon. To move through the 7-step Readiness Checklist, click Next. By answering the readiness questions prior to your appointment date, we'll have the information we need for a successful installation. Review your contact information. To change the local contact, click the Edit icon. To add a site access contact, click the Edit icon or designate the local contact as the site access contact. Next, answer the access questions. Building questions. And equipment installation questions. Answer the additional questions, providing as much information as you can. This will help us prepare for your installation and help avoid delays on installation day. Next, answer the remaining questions about your AT&T Phone for Business equipment and voicemail. And then click Finish. You'll see a confirmation message with your appointment date and location. To reschedule, click the Need to Reschedule button. We'll send you an email with a link to register for My AT&T, your online portal for setting up features and managing your service. Make sure to register. Our technician will help you set up your service features, such as voicemail. Before your appointment day, make sure the installation site is ready. Check that there's an electrical power source where the equipment will be installed, and make sure the technician can access the site. You may need to get keys, entry codes, or permission to access the location. And that's it. We'll do the rest to help you get started quickly with your new service. Here's what to expect on installation day. We'll send you a message to let you know when the technician is on the way. The technician will install the service and help you set up AT&T Phone for Business features. Want to learn more? For more videos, go to att.com/SMB how-to videos. For step-by-step help, go to the AT&T Small Business Support Center at att.com/smallbizsupport.